Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create, flow charts, diagrams for your projects without even signing in on anywhere, without even using any third-party application. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser over your any platform. You can use smartphones as well. Now, here in the search bar, all you need to do is to just simply go to the website which says draw.io. Once you go over this website, just simply hit draw.io and hit enter. Now this website will load right in front of you. Now once the website will load, you can see the multiple sections of the multiple columns, and you can draw the flow charts as per your needs. And once you are satisfied with the changes that you have done, just simply hit share, and you can get the project over your Google Drive, or you can just simply save that project as an image or anything else you want. You can even save the project type as XML file as well, or the HTML file as well. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.